Welcome to week 8 of your 7th grade school year. We are almost 1/4 of the way finished. That means that you have 1 part completed and 3 parts left to go. So the first grading period is almost up. Wednesday, grades will be due for me. Anything that you've got that's missing, you need to make sure you make it up. Also remember that if you have grades that are below 70, I have unlocked all of those grades. You can go back and watch videos and complete more practice problems and retake those assessments or quizzes. Also remember, if you have questions and you're not actually at school, reach out to me through email, call the school if you need to. I've given y'all my cell phone number. Email me. We can set up a Google Meet to make sure that we go over whatever we need to get you to the point where you understand and you're ready to take these quizzes. For this week, we're going to continue with graphing our X's and Y's on the tables that we've made, and then we're going to move into more word problem type stuff with ratios and proportions. So have a quiz on Thursday, so keep that in mind. But it will go on to the grading period for the second grading period for us. So hope you have a good week. STEAMA Academy 2, I look forward to seeing you, and those for you in Academy 1, I miss you already, and for those of you that are remote, I miss y'all as well. Hope y'all have a great day. Bye.